Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on what we have going on in the ES. Wow, what a crazy close, right? Just straight up. So I wanted to give you some levels so you could see what to expect next. Here on the daily, from this more recent high to low swing, we are already through the first target, which was at 39.18. The second target is at 39.89, and I have a couple of projections from previous swings that have happened in the market that also come around there. So we have an area, a zone. It's kind of wide. The numbers by themselves are 39.84, 39.89, and 39.98. But I did say for you here, 39.84 to 98 or so is what I am looking at right now on the daily. Of course, on a smaller time frame, such as a 120-minute chart, we are able to see other swings. So I also want you to pay attention to these swings. Okay, we have the smaller swing inside a swing extension of 39.42. That is the first target off of this high to low swing. Then we have a second target off of this high to low swing that correlates with it, and that's coming in at 39.42. So I also want you to be a cautious bull when you get up to 39.42. So your areas of risk are 39.84 to 98, and before that we have 39.42 and 39.59. All right, everybody, I hope you have an awesome 3-day weekend, and I am looking forward to seeing you again on Tuesday. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you soon.